What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Narcos here, man. Swaggy. This video is gonna be kind of going back into some automotive. We're gonna be doing some cosmetic surgery on the Challenger today. So got my taillight tints from Luxe Auto Concepts. I think that's what, yep, Auto Concepts. Shout out to them, you know, for that. So again, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be tinting out my taillights. So what I did was I got the dark smoke tint with the honeycomb pattern. I was going to, I was thinking about taking it somewhere and getting them to install it for me, but then like pricing was crazy. Wanted like around like $125 for just the taillights, not even, you know, of course the reflectors or anything. I mean, the reflectors are look easy to do, so I'm gonna attempt to do them myself. I've seen other videos, you know, look at how people are doing them. They make it look pretty easy. You know, I just want to make sure like I get it right the first time. So you know what I'm gonna do is I'm going to move my car like somewhat into the garage a little bit, just backing in a bit, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to install one of the first tints, show you what it looks like, and then I think I'm gonna do just the rest off camera, and then just kind of just show you how it's looking, so you know we can be looking good. So I'll see you. Oh dang, I'm too close. All right, y'all, so we backed up the car into the garage. Again, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to again do the tint here for this first one, and then depending on how long it takes me, I'm gonna speed it up or whatever. So what I did was I went ahead and cut my first little piece. You can see the honeycomb kind of in the sun. It's gonna go here, of course. So, but first, what they do is Luxe, they give you some alcohol spray, of course the box cutter for when you're cutting off the excess tint, and squeegee, a decal, and a microfiber towel. So what you want to do, of course, is take the spray, which is, it's basically just made up of water and alcohol, and you want to spray the tail light. You want to get it clean, you want to get it smooth. So we're going to spray it. So again, I was inspired by one YouTuber that I'm subscribed to, or we're subscribed together, named is Brittany, or on her channel she goes by Our Small Life. So shout out to her again with this cosmetic mod, which is gonna look pretty sick, because you know, for her, she has a black Challenger. Mine is this granite color. It's still dark, so I think it's gonna look nice. So now the scary part. So we're gonna take this off, right? We're gonna peel it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get it to where we don't have to use as much heat. So I'm going to put it so here. So we're gonna get about right here, and then what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to get this corner, in this corner here, right here, right over here. And then of course, if there's any like bubbles or anything, you know, you can take it out with heat. So of course,
Jumpman.
Alright, pretty much got it on there. Now I'm just gonna hit the side real quick. Alright, so now it's pretty much done. I don't have like what other people use, the tape where you can tape it around and pull it off. So we just gonna use I have a stencil, then I have a box cutter. So the box cutter, first I'm gonna cut off what's here. I'll take here. I will cut across here. And here it is with the lights on. That thing looks nice, man. And 3 more to go. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so this is still the side that I have to finish. Of course, nothing has been touched. And this is the side that I've already tinted. This one didn't take me as long. I think once I got the hang of this one, or honestly, I think it's because of this what took me so long, but this one wasn't too bad to do. So now we're about to move on to this one. And then I'll show you what it looks like with the lights on and just how it looks from the back.
Jumpman.
All right, so we finished. It probably took me, I'm gonna say about an hour and a half, couple hours, whatever, once I actually really start getting into it. My cutting on the edges are kind of bad. I did kind of have like little minor scratches that I ain't gonna lie, probably like filling with something on the carb using the stencil. But yeah, and I've gotta cut it, but it's fine though. But overall though, when it came out, I think I did a pretty good job, man. Like here, so you can kind of see it, and I'm gonna show it again. So this is it here. Let me go ahead and turn on my lights so you can see it as well, because it looks really good, man. So again, if I were to go back and choose to pay $125 for this instead of doing it myself, no, I would just do it myself. Could I do this again? I mean, I could, just not right now, not in the near future, you know. So you know, because I mean, doing the first one, once I got the hang of that, then you know, I got the hang of the rest of them. So but I do like how it looks, you know. Again, my car, it's granite, and with this black, this dark tint on there. And I will, oh yeah, I gotta show you, of course, the honey. Well, you just seen the honeycomb. All right, y'all, so we back in the crib. I know it'll look better, like the lights, it'll look better at nighttime, of course. So maybe when I do another video or something with my car, hopefully around nighttime, I could actually show you what it, you know, comes out to look like. But I know you get an idea. I actually have enough tint to actually do, like, try to do like the reflectors. I actually have enough where I can get enough to cut out and then do the reflectors. I might actually try to do that without having to actually like pay to get the reflector kit, because I know the reflector kit, it's already, I think, like cut out and you just stick them on there and it's quick and easy. So I'm gonna try to do that. It should come out fine, just like how the cutouts do. I'm just gonna have to cut it out myself, of course. But that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed that, please make sure you like, comment, and, you know, share it, and also subscribe if you're not already subscribed, so I can bring you some more content. And I'll catch you on the next one. Narcos out.